What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? Is Dad here from Dad Simply Cooking, and it's snowing. It's been snowing for a little bit, and it's cold. So stewed beef sounds pretty good for dinner. So come along with us as we embrace this snowstorm that we're going to be getting. It's only just beginning. We still have another day and a half of snow. So let's get something warm in our bellies. Going on, ladies and gentlemen, it's snowing and it's cold, and I figured what could be better on a cold snowy day than some nice heartwarming beef stew. So let's do it. My kids have wanted to be outside all morning, so I've been outside with them all morning, and it's cold. What the temperature is, I'm not exactly sure. It's just cold. When I looked at the weather, it just said cold. So I take it as cold. So what I have here is I have a chuck roast, and I'm just going to cut it up, make it simple. Never made beef stew before. I figured we'd try it and go from there, I guess. So we're going to go ahead and get this cut open and go from there. So I got this chuck roast, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut it into 1-inch sections. I got my Dutch oven because that's what we're going to be cooking this in. I got some carrots, an onion, and my Yukon potatoes. Let me get my carrots on out. Start slicing my potatoes or my carrots on down. My onion. Let it not tell me a sob story today. Now I'm just putting my fat pieces in. Cook down that fat. Get those juices and everything from it. That fat will add a good texture to this. Here's my beef. I have it cut in 1-inch squares, length and almost width. Some roasted garlic Asiago. Some mango magic, a little bit of that mango fruit taste. So it'll go good with this. That salt. Some smokehouse maple. Crushed ground pepper. Mix that all in. Let me get my flour. Put some flour on in. Coat my meat with that flour. And we're just going to add some of my beef stew on in, or the chuck roast. Start letting it cook on down. A little bit of Worcestershire sauce. A bit of dark soda in there. And take some either chicken or beef broth, whichever one you want or got. I'm using some beef broth and some chicken stock. About 2 cups. And then we're going to put some water in. So I have some of this beef stew slow cooker stuff. And I'm just going to mix it with water and then add it on in. I cut my lid open and I pour that seasoning on in to my water. I'm making it easy. the dad way. Mixed up and pour it on in. Good. Now, what kind of beef stew would it be without the Yukon potatoes? Potatoes. Got about 4 or 5 of them. And we're just going to cut. And we're just going to let this cook. And we'll be back. I almost forgot to add my tomato paste on in. Add a half a thing, or half a small can of tomato sauce or tomato paste. All right, everybody, look at this delicious looking stew beef with carrots and potatoes. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Oh, ho, 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 ho. It looks absolutely, positively delicious. Some people like to do it over rice or mashed potatoes. I like to do it over rice. That's just preference for me. You can do it however you want to. Some people add in peas. I did see like frozen peas. I had canned peas, so I wasn't sure. And then I got my ladle and get some of this delicious stew beef. Put it right over the top of that rice so it absorbs it. Oh. Look at that. I'm going to warm the insides of my body because I was just outside and it's cold. So let's give this a whirl. Give this a try. Oh, yeah. That's on point. Absolutely delicious. Definitely warming. It's absorbed in that rice. 10 out of 10. This is fantastic. I'm going to have a list of the ingredients below. And I'll try to put everything on screen as I make it. Y'all stay warm. Stay safe. We currently have like 6 inches of snow outside. It's going to be fun. We're staying warm, staying safe. Stay home if you have to. If you feel comfortable going out, that's up to you. But stay home, stay safe, stay warm. Make some good, comfy food. And we'll catch you in the next one. I love you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace! So, the day after for my stew beef video, y'all, as you remember, the ground was a little coated in snow. And that's where we're currently at. So, Jerry, my wife, she grew up around here. And she said this is the most snow she has ever seen. Earlier, it was funny because my truck here, we couldn't tell where the hood of the truck started and the roof began because there was that much snow. And listen, we in North Carolina, we just ain't built for this weather. The kids are having an absolute blast though.